The total requirement, as I told, first thing is my internal accruals, then dilution through QIP, and then debt. I think this year I may not go for more than 5%
Okay.
realization.
Okay. What would that mean, sir, in terms of money? How much would that be?
To the very close to 500 crores maybe.
Okay. And sir, government is reducing its stake in the company. Is there somebody else who is also exiting, or what will be the new shareholding?
It is SEBI guideline. Government has to come down below 75%. So that is in accordance with that only. And this is a natural consequence of this dilution that government shareholding getting reduced.
So you talked about your expansion plans, but given the mine bans in Goa and the trade war that's been going on, so do you think it's a good time to expand? Demand has also not been very good recently.
If you study the demand of copper, particularly in India, we are still now, we are not, we cannot think of any marketing problem for coming so many years. Right now, the total demand is being catered through import only, maybe more than 90%. There is a huge scope for growth by Hindustan Copper. As I told, by 23-24, we are going to expand to sixfold and aspire to cater to only 30% domestic requirement. So we have a huge gap to expand, no issue. Market is not an issue.
What has trade war meant for your company? Have there been any repercussions for you or any?
On a temporary basis, because
Like what, sir?
China exports got reduced, so that resulted in lower import level by them. So that was going to affect the LME prices in a very short period of time. But now it has started picking up. LME, you just see, last 10 days, it has started picking up again.
Okay, so you expect prices to pick up and market to improve now?
That speculation also shows that copper prices are going to have a positive trend. Demand 6 to 7% or more than that growth, and LME also is going to have a positive trend.
Does your company also plan to explore lithium and cobalt like mining and explorations,
not,
given the demand for electric vehicles?
Lithium is present in the copper ore tailings in one of my mines, Khetri Belt. But right now I do not have any plan to venture out for lithium. But there is a joint venture between Hindustan Copper, NALCO and MECL.
Okay, that's Hind Copper.